Alright, what's up and welcome to another episode of Gizmo Slip Tech. Today we're going to talk about the Galaxy S9, the Samsung Unpacked event that just went on. I just watched it. It was very interesting and it left me with very mixed feelings. So once again, I'm going to make two videos. This video will be about my 5 favorite or best features, and then in a follow-up video that I'll be posting either today or tomorrow, I'll be talking about my 5 least favorite or worst features for the Galaxy S9. I am also giving away a Galaxy S9, but if you want to sign up for that giveaway, I'll have a link at the end of this video. First off, the camera will be upgraded in a number of ways. There will be a dual aperture, and I'm going to talk about this in the worst features. The big thing to note here is that there will be an f-stop of 1.5, which is a huge improvement from the Galaxy S7, letting in up to 28% more light. Another great feature is the DRAM camera chip. This is going to allow the S9 to take 12 photos simultaneously and then combine them together to create less noise in an image. I think this has great potential. I can't wait to try it out. Smartphone technology already does this to a certain extent, but I want to see if this is a major step forward for low light photography. I have my fingers crossed. I think it'll probably be better, but probably only by a little bit. Now, the new camera is going to be capable of shooting at 720p 960 frames per second slow-mo. At first glance, that sounds absolutely freaking incredible. Like 2 or 3 times the data throughput that I thought possible. If you just pay attention to what they're saying, don't really look at the fine print, that sounds absolutely mind-blowing insane. But then when you look at the fine print, you realize that's only for 1/5 of a second. That is ridiculously narrow. Like from the time I say one word, that's like how long your time will be to record. So you're going to be able to start a clip and then record 20 slow motion moments throughout the clip, I'm guessing with a short delay in between each clip. Ideally in post, it'll automatically ramp between the slow motion and fast motion. I don't know, I think it's going to be really hard to use from like a filmmaking perspective or a YouTube creator filmmaking perspective. Yeah, there will be smart tools to enable that recording moment. So you can set a box to trigger when it detects movement, so it captures exactly the right moment. Overall, I still like the slow motion feature, but I think the big thing, and this will be in my worst video, is that they kind of hid the fact that it's only for 0.2 seconds worth of recording super slow motion time, and that's just insanely narrow. There's 3 different modes that you can turn and make into a GIF, and you can also use these modes when you unlock the phone for a home screen or a lock screen effect, which that sounds pretty cool, and I would probably use that if I ever get one of these phones. I'm a big fan of the new and improved fingerprint sensor placement. That should be much easier to find the fingerprint sensor. You have the continued inclusion of the headphone port. Big thumbs up from me. I personally don't use it, but I know that many people do. Another great thing is the louder speakers, 40% extra volume, and then you do have left-right audio separation so that you can get more of a surround sound feel. It's not going to be the same thing as being in the movie theater like Samsung implied, but it is certainly an improvement, and I have seen that when using the Razr phone. You get to hear that left-right audio separation, and it's fantastic. Now, in my opinion, literally, potentially the very best thing about the Galaxy S9 is the improved processors. The Snapdragon 845 is going to have 20 to 30% more power efficiency and 30% more powerful GPU. And then in non-US markets, you have the Exynos 9810, which is going to be even faster than the Snapdragon 845. But either way, the processors in these phones are definitely something to get excited about. A couple of potential minor or major things. First of all, the screen brightness is going to be increased. I'm guessing that the brightness of the S9 will probably at least match or maybe surpass the Note 8 brightness by a little bit. Now, Samsung also said that they reduced the bezel size, and because they didn't say by how much, which would be pretty big in their marketing, I bet it's by a very small margin. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I will be giving away a Galaxy S9. Link in the description if you want to go enter that giveaway. I'm making content on 4 different YouTube channels. We have the main Gizmo Slip channel, Gizmo Slip Tech, my vlog channel, and Gizmo Slip Gaming. I would love to see all of you guys subscribe to all those channels. So that was my list of the 5 best features of the Galaxy S9. If you want to see my list of the 5 worst features for the Galaxy S9, I'll have a link down below, but I'll be posting that video either later today or tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that. And if you don't want to miss out, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Brandon out. Yow.